Hi everyone, today I'm going to be sharing with you Poquito Bayou boat ramp here in Shalimar, Florida. We are really centrally located here in Shalimar, lots of neighborhoods and homes around us, so quite a walkable area and boat ramp if you are buying near this area. This is a single free lane boat ramp that will take you out to Poquito Bayou as well as Choctawhatchee Bay. You've got a great docking area, plenty of room here. It is a single free lane, great for smaller boats, kayaks, and paddleboards. But more than a ramp, they do also have a greenery area. So a nice little picnic area. There are covered picnic tables and lots of mature pine trees providing a lot of shade. And you've also got plenty of parking here. And it extends even just beyond this area that you see right here. There's some side street parking and area there. More common spaces with picnic tables and greenery. And you can see all the houses around. Like I said, this is very centrally located to residential area. So it is a public area, but if you were living in the neighborhood, this would be a very walkable spot. All right, guys, once again, this is Poquito Bayou Boat Ramp. Thanks for joining me today.